We have up next, we've got Renee Black. All right, let's check out Renee's shop next. And Renee has got Renee's Creatives Shop out of Kalamazoo, Michigan. All right, well, let's check it out. Let's see what we have here for you today, Renee. So we got 10 items, some looks like some peyote jewelry. And let's scroll down here. So we've got I don't accept returns, but please contact me. Instant downloads. Your items will be available to download once payment is confirmed. You can put your photo right there. I would recommend that, because I know you had it all the way up at the top already. And we got a good little about section. Okay, so it looks like all good details. So let's see, what have we got here? We've got a Geo Design odd count peyote stitch pattern. So a bracelet PDF digital pattern, bead weaving PDF, peyote stitch, beadwork pattern, bead weaving tutorial. Okay, adjust this little fan behind me, blowing on me too much. Okay, so first things first, on your thumbnails right here, I wouldn't recommend that you use this kind of a thumbnail layout, because your design is only taking up a real small portion of the image itself, and you don't need to put the text of what this is into this photo here. That's what your listing title is for, and you should take this opportunity here to show off more of the design and the product. So like these ones here, where you can kind of see, the bracelets themselves, I think, are much better and much more important to be showing off there, to show off the whole kind of bracelet that you have here. Now let's click into it. This is a great image. This one I think is your best image right here. Like these ones right here, I don't really like, because it just looks kind of weird. The glass has like a green kind of a look to it. And I don't like that the bracelet's not even fully wrapped around. Here, this looks so much better. Your skin really makes the blue stand out and look really beautiful, or the purple colors that you have here, and that looks so much better. This photo is way better, so much better, so much more lively. We got the green grass in the background. We've got the, we've got all of the colors and everything here. We've got it just looks a lot better overall. So I would recommend, on all of your listings here, I would recommend going in and getting photos kind of like this one. Okay, here we go. We got another one. There we go. That's the perfect photo right there. Great video, because you can see the whole rotation, you can see the clasp and everything. That one's really, really nice looking. I like that. But that should be your actual thumbnail photo. On this one right here, that should be the thumbnail photo. And I would just get rid of these images altogether, because people don't really care too much about the logo or this or that. They just care about what it looks like. And this one shows off what it looks like way better than anything else. And I love green. That's kind of my thing. Anytime you get some green into the photo and make it look alive, I think that's a great way to do it. And you've got some beautiful, vibrant, beautiful, pretty grass behind you right there. So I would go all day with that one. So that's my biggest recommendation on your photo. Go into all of these and update the photos and show off. Use this photo here. And it looks like on multiple of these, you took them somewhere. See, this one, you don't have a photo of it, but if you got a picture of that one, I would show it off that way much more. Now let's look at the product keywords right here. We've got peyote bracelet pattern PDF. Let's see here, 9,186 results. So actually a pretty good keyword, not bad at all. That's perfect, right in the sweet spot range. And let's look around. But you can see here a lot of these. You can see this one, they got a nice showing it off. This one, they're saying, PDF pattern, so on. But, like I always say, look at what other people are doing, get some ideas, see what kind of things you can find. That one I like. I mean, I don't know, it just stands out really nicely. That's a good way of showing it off too. Kind of putting it on this little plastic little stand or something. and making it pop out, and you can see the inside and the outside and everything like that. Now, I will say, so the keyword you use, peyote bracelet pattern PDF, good keyword right there. Now let's just get rid of the word PDF, and I bet it will make it, probably will make it bigger, but who knows? 18,000, good, finally. The world is working correctly. Twice as big. It went from 9,000 results to 18,000 results. So pretty good results there. Let's see here. Now, I will say, digital downloads, it's definitely not my favorite thing. I really prefer physical, like the actual real product. And there's a few reasons why. The biggest reason is digital downloads are the most competitive because there's no like real cost. So people, the prices are always just so low, you know, $3, $2.65. And I just think it's a very tough niche to compete in when there's already a lot of people in here selling products for $2.65, selling these designs. You know, or look, if you look at this one, these people are selling, you know, 11, I don't know how many designs this is, but it looks like a bunch. They're selling like 10 different designs or something in order to use, you know, for $3.62. So if you can make these items, a lot of times you can sell them for so much more money. Let's look up peyote bracelet. Maybe not. Maybe the cost is still really, really low. But you know, sometimes it's not. Look at this one, $76, 76 bucks. And they're selling the bracelet. I don't even think it's the earrings. Is it the whole set or is it just the bracelet? $76. Look at that. So way more money. 19,000 sales. So my personal thought is you're doing a great job making these items. And I think you're going to make a lot more sales by actually producing the item yourself and then selling it. And I think you can also make more money. You know, there's people out there, as we just saw from that one shop, they're selling this for 76 bucks and they've got 19,000 sales. Most people are going to be willing to just buy the actual physical product over the digital product. It's just a larger market. You know, I personally wouldn't buy the PDF because I don't have time to make something like this, but I would maybe buy one of the bracelets.